What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I just got off of work, and the first thing I always do is hop in the shower.
I got you on my mind.
After a long day of work, all you want to do is take a warm shower and wash off the day. Showers are so peaceful to me, so I do take my time so I can reset.
I got you on my side. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. On me, shake your presence, always so potent around me. I look like sunshine.
After my shower, I put on some comfy PJs, and I usually do a little bit of skincare. Nothing too crazy, especially on the days I don't feel like doing too much. But I do always make sure I use my toner pads and I put moisturizer on.
That's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. I got you on my side. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. Who gon' stand against me? Who gon' win against the views all around me? I lie you dead. Been drowning mountains in the sea. All my scriptures dominating, undefeated. That's my reigning king. This that good news. Me and Jesus, we together, got that synergy. Got them atoms all vibrating, check the atmosphere. This you know that I said it right.
Y'all, we listen and we don't judge, okay? My husband and I are in the process of moving, so everything is everywhere. The clothes on the floor is going to Goodwill. You know when you're about to enter a new season of your life and all you want to do is rebrand? Yeah, that's how I'm feeling. If you have something you need to do or you need to get done or clean, why don't you go ahead and do that? Let's clean up together. You can put this video in the background and just start tidying up. Don't feel bad for having a dirty environment or for having a couple things laying around, because at the end of the day, we're humans. All we have to do is just get back up and do what we gotta do.
I got you on my mind. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. I got you on my side. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. On me, shake your presence, always so potent around me. I look like sunshine and wind. I smell like success and victory. You know I'm made in his image. Righteous genetics, I got it. To prove it that this is my shot. I got you on my mind. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. I got you on my side. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. Who gon' stand against me? Who gon' win against the views all around me? I lie you dead. Been drowning mountains in the sea. All my scriptures dominating, undefeated. That's my reigning king. This that good news. Me and Jesus, we together, got that synergy. Got them atoms all vibrating, check the atmosphere. If you knew that I said it right, we gon' be alright. We gon' be just fine. And we gonna be, hey. And we gonna be, yeah, we gonna be, yeah, we gonna be. We gon' be alright. It's that good news. Don't worry.
I don't know about you guys, but cleaning has always been a little bit therapeutic for me. Just being able to clean up a mess that was made and make the area look brand new has always made me feel accomplished, feel like I was able to reset my environment and clear my mind.
That's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. I got you on my side. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. Omniscient, your presence always so potent around me. I look like sunshine and wind. I smell like success and victory. You know I'm made in his image. Righteous genetics, I got it. So prove it that this is my shot. I got you on my mind. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. I got you on my side. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. Who gon' stand against me? Who gon' win against the views all around me? I lie you dead. Been drowning mountains in the sea. On with scriptures, dominating, undefeated. That's my reigning king. This that good news. Me and Jesus, we together, got that synergy. Got them atoms all vibrating, check the atmosphere. If you knew that I said it right, we gon' be alright. We gon' be just fine. And we gonna be, hey. And we gonna be, yeah, we gonna be, yeah, we gonna be. We gon' be alright. It's that good news.
It's a process, I will get past. It's not so bad. Yeah. Feel me within, I'm gonna win. Ain't got a question, cause I got you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Cause I got you. Ooh, ooh. Oh my, what a sacrifice. He really suffered up until he died. Yet here I am just moaning.
Not gonna lie to y'all, at first this task was daunting. I didn't feel like doing it. I didn't feel like having to pick up the clothes or clean up anything. But after getting it done, I feel accomplished. I'm glad I was able to clean up the space that both my husband and I live in. Now when he comes home from work, he can just rest. The last thing on my to-do list was just to throw a couple of clothes in the washer and let that run. And whenever it was done, I would put it in the dryer.
It's a process, I will get past. It's not so bad. Yeah. Feel me within, I'm gonna win. Ain't got a question in, 'cause I got you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. 'Cause I got you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh my, what a sacrifice. He really suffered up until he died. Yet here I am just moaning.
Now that I'm done cleaning, it's time for me to eat. Some days you don't feel like cooking, and I know it's a bad thing, but sometimes it's good to cheat. So I got me a little Whopper because I was craving that. Now we can eat, relax, and be an iPad kid. I recently decided to get back to watching The Good Doctor. So far, I'm glad I went back to it. But if y'all have any recommendations on any shows, let me know. Comment down below. But that's pretty much wraps up the whole video. Thank you so much for watching my 5 to 9 after my 9 to 5 routine. Sincerely, Shalinda. Kisses.